Hey, good day everyone. Here's another video by You Can Do It. So today we're working in our 2006 Hyundai Tucson four-wheel drive here, and we're gonna do a simple procedure. Our back tail light on the passenger side is cracked, and instead of taping it up, what I did is I got a used replacement part from eBay for roughly basically the same price that I would have gotten from a salvage yard. And it appears to be a easy procedure. The only thing that's holding the light is 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws, and we'll see if we have to remove these two what appear to be 10mm bolts. And when we put it back, it seems like we just got the same 3 screws. And so those bolts, that area with the bolts, we may not have to take out. And I've looked at the bulbs here. It seems like the top one is fused, so we may have to change that. All right, guys, these are pretty small screws. They're about 1 inch. I already removed one, so just gonna remove the other. All right, guys, we got the 3 screws out, and what we gotta do is just loosen it. And if you have the other light with you, it's always good to just take a look in the back. As you can see, there's no clips or anything else that would be holding the light. I first thought that maybe this right there, that little circle was attached to something, but I can see, get my phone in there, and the light's not attached to anything. So we just gotta pull this. There you go. And it's coming out, so I'm just gonna pull it, and oh, it actually is connected to a few clips on the side. Let me see if I can take a picture of that for you. So here's the new light, and I can show you where, so on this corner and that corner, there's clips, so you're gonna have to pull it out forward like that. So push it out, and those two sort of nipples go into this hole, and we will just disconnect this housing right here, this connector, and remove the light. Right, guys, so I got out the old light. There was, again, just the 2 nipples stuck on these hooks, and then just one simple connector. And what I'll do is I'll clean that area off. But I also want to show you that the new light has a fused bulb. So all you got to do is turn this counterclockwise, and you can see that bulb is blown. What you got to do is just, I need 2 hands for this, but just twist this counterclockwise, or just pull it out, sorry. And right here, I took out the other bulb from the other light, and you're just gonna pull this in, push it in, and it goes into those grooves right there. Let me see. Yeah, so you put it in the grooves, push it down, and then just turn it clockwise. And then when you put it back into the socket, it has the grooves, it fits, and then you turn it clockwise. And what you want to do is check obviously all the other bulbs just to make sure they're not fused. All right, guys, we cleaned up the area. The reverse process is pretty easy. We take our light. First thing we're gonna do is put the connector on. Just gonna push this in, and you're gonna hear it snap right there. And then we're gonna fit these 2 nipples into the holes, and then align it up and put the screws on. All right, guys, as you can see, we got the light in, everything's aligned. I'm gonna put the screws on, and this is it. This basically took 15 minutes, probably less than that. I just wanted to show you what the finished product looks like, guys. So we got the lights on, and everything seems to be working fine. All right, bye.